Filming. Oh shit! Welcome to another fishing video. Today we're out jigging for kings, and we've got a big surprise. So stay tuned. Big fight. We'll post up a kingy jigging video later on, but this is about the man in the grey suit, the tax man in the grey suit to be correct.
On the drop, yeah.
On the drop, mate. On the drop.
Yep, on the drop, yeah. This one's stronger. This one might be legal, actually. Yeah. Ooh. Whoa. Oh. Oh, got shocked. I got shocked now. Got shocked now. Got shocked. Got shocked. Oh, yeah, got shocked. Got shocked.
All over Red Rover. Drive somewhere, Tony? Gone over there, the shark, eh?
Let's come back. Let's come back.
Big cod, mate. Big cod. Fucking bronze whale up there. Fucking 6 foot, man. Whaler. By myself. What I did, I put the rod in the rod holder and just drove away from it until it come up, and then I kept riding, and then I kept doing that over and over again until I got it up. Yeah, I got it up. Then the line snapped and I got it too low. Too big.
That was a good skinny too.
That's the same thing Tony's going to do now.
Do you see the shark on the sounder?
No, it's over there. Like under.
Hey.
Who knows, man? Maybe a 20 kilo king. 8 small king. You want to get it up, put the rod in the rod holder and we'll flame the cunt up. Why not?
Hey. Hey. I don't know. Oh no, it's bouncing up and down. Look at that. Shit. Look at the second drag. Yeah, we can play them up. We can. Shit. You on? Yeah. Are they that heavy, are they?
Sharks?
These sharks, yeah. Oh yeah. I'm on now too, so just take it easy. Go forward. Just go forward. Just go straight forward. Line it all up. Idle forward, yeah, idle, yeah. That's good.
Bad. It's big, bro. Yeah, is it a king or a fucking shark? Probably a shark.
Don't turn that way, turn straight. Straighten up a bit.
Shark, I reckon. Shark.
Okay. Double shark.
Shark, mate. Yeah. The way it took it is nah. Shark, another shark. Got heaps of drag on this banger. I've got a bit more. I'm running
with our 70-pound knot today. Oh, Jesus Christ!
Record, yeah? There's enough sharp, I reckon. Something up, whatever it is. Probably with my line, I'll hit Tony soon and then we're going to see it.
Nah, I think we're right for now. We'll get her up.
Do you have a seat, banger? Yeah, where about that? Yeah, have a go, banger. Oh, I'm touching Tony's line.
Wait. You sure?
Keep it straight, keep it straight, keep it straight. Yeah, I can feel Tommy's touching. Keep it straight. Go that way, go that back that way. Alright, go, stop. Right, listen up. Oh my gosh. Wait. Yeah.
Are we robbing? We might be robbing, eh? You want to come over me? Yeah, get rid of that, get rid of that.
Over, under, Mexican shit.
Okay.
Over, under, over. Well, who is it?
No, you just go back, we'll go under you. Just under? No, hang on. No, the other way. Oh, fuck, we just tangled ourselves for no reason. Now just walk under, go back behind me and walk under me, kind of thing. No, okay. Yeah, okay. Now you walk back. Walk back. Walk back. No, towards him, so I'll go underneath you.
Okay.
Walk back. Yeah, walk back, yeah. Is it this way? Hang on, fucking hell. Ah, fuck. Fucking. That's how you fight tuna, bro. Open, bro. Mine's open. Oh, fuck, I don't know what's going on there. Yeah. Come on, you gotta walk back so I can go underneath you. Give some room. Yeah. Go underneath you, and then go that way. Tie your line so we can see what's going on. Which way, but? This way?
The other way, Tom, the other way.
This way?
Go under it, Under
him?
That way or the other way?
Okay. Now you go under me. Go. That's it, that's how we'll work.
No,
One more? Okay, go.
I got it.
Go.
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 Pull up so I can see. No, wrong way.
Wrong way, okay.
Oh, hold on, no, it's sure.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah,
one more time.
The bill?
Yeah, go under me.
One more time.
Yep.
Again?
Okay, one more time. Yep.
Yeah, one more time and then one more time.
Okay.
And then one more time and that's it. One more time and that's it. Over, under again.
Go under you, quick.
He's struggling, I think.
Okay.
Sorry. And then, I think it's
Yeah, that's it, yep.
Yep. He wants to go now. Fuck you! Jesus Christ. Maybe it's a tuna fish. Never done it. Tuna took my slimy. Slimy bidding now. Fucking nice they come out. That's coming up easy now, hey?
It's strong rod, man.
Big cod. Fucking groper. 40 kilo groper. Right back in the pool. Look up on the shark, eh? You see the other fish, bro. Jeez, it's going to leave this Put it right holder, right? That's what it is. Put it right holder, drive it, cross the back, line, right holder. That's what you can do. What else can you do? Nothing. You get it. Fucking 2 minutes on the whale up.
Like you can't come up. No, don't think so. Feel it? You sure? Oh.
No, we're pretty steady. That's going to cross. Just stop the lights.
Stop.
See this fucker yet? Yeah, you get it up until about the 20 metres, that's the boat, and then it's all over, and they don't come anymore. We'll see this thing soon at Tony's. I'll turn and I'll swim it with the current, and then they can't swim no chance, they can't swim against the current. Yeah, like that. Start pulling the cunts with the current, and then they're fucked because they can't use the current to fight. Oh, okay. You know what I mean?
Pull it south.
Yeah. Go with the current. The thing is, they're coming with it. You're pulling them up. Slowly turning the cunts. When they push against the current, they just use their body weight in the current. So it's like they're swimming, but they're not. Now they're fucked, they've got no resistance. They get the knife ready, Frank, when you get it up, or?
What? You want? Thought you were going to get the gas.
That's my ass. This is fucking, I reckon, half the length of the boat.
I can see. The colour, yeah, I got last colour. I've got leader now. What is it?
I can see it. Look at the size of the cut. It's a tiger.
Shark, is it? The shark?
Fucking hell, it's a shark, man. Look at the cut. Bronze whaler. Bronzy. So what are we going to do? I'm not gaffing it.
Hey?
I'm not gaffing it. Fuck, he's huge.
Look at him.
Fuck! The tiger, bronzy. Bronze whaler.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, bronzy.
The big?
The size of, yeah. Take a video.
Take a video. Here, take a video, Pete.
I'm going to put it in the water.
No, just show how big it is.
It's filming. Oh, shit.
Shark fishing.
Oh, jeez, he's a monster, man.
Yeah, I'll cut the fish hook, mate.
The knife.
Tap E4. Oh, hang on, this is that's all.
Bit of kingy bycatch.
Tap E4. Oh, hang on, this is that's for photo. While you're filming, that's a photo. Tap that for a photo, yeah. There's a lot of bleed on you, bro. Oh, look at that. Man, I got him side of the mouth. What are you going to do?
Nah, fuck that, I've got to try and get that out.
Ooh, look at that fish. Look, that landed. Grab him by the tail. Yeah, up high. Can you see? Oh, fuck. Can you see it? See the fish? Oh, jeez. Lose my hand, don't worry, yeah?
Yeah, don't let him bite you because they fucking don't let go.
Alright, let me go from behind.
Let me hold the rod for you. I'll break it.
You hold that in.
Yeah, got it. Okay.
It's alright. Yeah, hold that in. You hold that in. Get this one up a bit. Woo. See you later.
Jig's jig on that, bro. Let me film the jig. Show me the jig. It's full. Show me the other way. Show someone with the bent way. Sideways. No. Flip the other.
It's better you put it like
Yeah,
that.
yeah. Yeah.
I like
Like a banana. You're fishing with bananas.